Here are some quotes that a 90-year-old man might say. Age is just a number. It's how you feel inside that really matters. I've seen a lot in my time, but I still believe that there's good in the world. Life is too short to hold grudges or dwell on the past. We should focus on the present and the future. I've learned that happiness comes from within. It's not about what you have or what you've accomplished, but how you feel about yourself. There's no substitute for hard work and perseverance. If you want something in life, you have to go out and get it. I've had my share of successes and failures, but I've learned that the only real failure is giving up. It's important to stay active and engaged, both physically and mentally. That's how you keep your mind and body sharp. Family and friends are the most important things in life. They give us the love and support we need to get through tough times. I've learned that forgiveness is powerful. Holding on to anger and resentment only hurts ourselves. Life is a journey, and we never know where it will take us. But if we keep an open mind and a positive attitude, we can make the most of every moment. Age is just a number. It's how you feel inside that matters. I've seen a lot of changes in my lifetime, but one thing remains the same: the importance of family and friends. Life is too short to hold grudges. Forgive and forget. There's no time like the present. Don't wait until tomorrow to do what you can do today. The world is a beautiful place if you take the time to appreciate it. You're never too old to learn something new. Keep your mind sharp. Hard work pays off in the end. Keep pushing yourself. Treat others the way you want to be treated. It's a simple rule, but it goes a long way. Cherish the moments you have with loved ones. Time is precious. Don't take yourself too seriously. Life is meant to be enjoyed.